Kung kailan ako sumuko, saka ka naman naluyo. Kung kailan ako napagod, ngayon ka pa magabol. Kung kailan gustong tapusin, don't leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shalaxi LV, and today it's gonna be another vlog. It's gonna be with my friends. My friends and I have decided to go for dinner today sa Flying Iguana. But Anna and I are going to do carpool together, so I'm gonna drive there and then we're gonna ride together sa pupuntahan naming restaurant. So let's go! Sa Nipchon Beach ba? Okay naman kasi diba sa military, bayad naman. Ha? May ano ka naman, drive.
Tsaka ano, may housing allowance. Kapag full-time student, tsaka yung full. Yeah.
Oo nga, sayang din kunin mo yung pinaghirapan mo yun.
Kasi niya, ako
May expiration din, ano din yun, diba?
yeah, go-friend siya.
10 years. Kasi yung sa uncle ko nasayang yun sa kanya eh. Pero at least siya, yung kuya niya kasi yung kuya niya, katalino ko. Sa, dito sa kanya. Pero yung social skills niya, ano lang. Pero hindi ka pala kumakain ng burger? Ano? Or ano lang, ayaw mo or ano mo lang? Akala ko mag-divorce na rin sila. Diba? Yung nakita nga dun eh. Crazy, right? Nabasa ko sa divorce na nila.
Oo naman, bakit ako mag-divorce? Ilang months?
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it.
Kinasal ba sila? Hindi naman sila.
Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in
Ay, dito ba tayo kumain last time? Hindi na, sa kabila yun. Dito ba yun?
just like the sunrise. You know that we
Saan ba tayo dumaan last time? Parang iba yung daanan.
Dito rin tayo dumaan nun? Asan na ba sila? Ah, dito pala. Magbabayad.
just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Come in just
Marge.
Chicken Marge. Sino ba?
Alright.
Oh, that's fresh. Guacamole.
I'm gonna take a video. Oh, you're just like, I'm taking a video of this video.
Thank you.
Look at this bit. Look at this bit.
Thank you. What is it? $4 steak.
Well, it's only the steak was fine.
Ano yung ano? May
Oh, what's it? Wow. Chicken?
wala chicken.
Hindi sa chicken eh.
What do you
Chicken
get?
tsaka steak. Sa akin, steak and pork belly din eh.
Let's go steak one. I have steak and pork belly.
No, this is not what.
You got chicken?
No. May nilalamig. Sino yung nilalamig? Sabi na magdala ng jacket kanina eh. Sabi niya daw, carry niya daw. Ngayon, thank God. Kasi si Sarah, Girl Scout. Girl Scout ka ba dati, Sai? Ako isang beses lang ako ng Girl Scout. Isang year lang. Pizza, yan pala.
Direct to my family.
Are you? Lemon. Ano masasabi niyo sa drink niyo? Lasang gamot. Kontakt, kaya pala pwedeng sponsor. Cheers! Iba ba yun sa kanya? Inaantok ko daw siya. Doon talaga sa matatanda.
inaantok si Sir Julian. Sila lang yung may inaantok guys. Sa akin, ano pa to?
Ako patulog, di ba?
Early bird pati sa akin. The night is still young. Dito natin malalaman yung edad guys. Pag inaantok ng 10:30. Dati 10:30 yung ano eh, no? Start ng ano. Oh my God. 10:30, tulugan na. Si Ana nga, 8 pa lang iantok na. Pero nag-nap pa yan siya kanina.
Just like a spark that's breaking out.
Ay, oo nga. Oo, ito talaga yung totoo guys. Nag-nap sila dalawa.
You know that there's no room for doubt. Can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll
Punta na kami sa... Ano nga ulit yun, Prince?
just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up. Tonight we gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the
Nilalamig kami. Naka-video to.